Kia ora! This month we're talking about Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, which is Te Wiki, the week, o, of, Te Reo, the language, Māori. Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, Māori Language Week. Each September, Māori Language Week is celebrated in New Zealand, or Aotearoa. The tradition started in the year 1975 to celebrate a petition to the government 3 years prior, which asked for active recognition of the language. At the beginning of the 19th century, Māori was the dominant language in Aotearoa. As more European settlers arrived, and following both world wars, use of the language decreased. It was around the early 1860s that English started to become the dominant language. About a century later, during the 1970s, efforts to revitalise the language began. And, in the year 1987, Māori became an official language of Aotearoa. Now, there are a lot of institutions working to revitalise the language. Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori is one of them, as is this channel. This year, Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori runs from the 12th to the 18th of September. To celebrate, there will be a short story spread over each day, entirely in Te Reo. So, join me during Te Wiki, and let's work together to revitalise Te Reo Māori. Ka kite!